Welcome to another Scandinavian adventure with VueX, y'all. This time, we're whisked away to the land of meatballs, ABBA, and those cool minimalist furniture stores. Yep, Sweden. Get those comfy shoes ready, because we're about to embark on an epic 2-week journey through this Scandinavian beauty. So, buckle up, grab your passport, and get ready for an unforgettable adventure. Let's dive right in. Touchdown in Stockholm, everyone. First things first, let's get you settled. We'll be taking a comfy train ride from the airport right into the city center. Once we're all checked into our hotel, and I've scoped out the best coffee shop nearby, of course, it's time to explore Gamla Stan, Stockholm's charming old town. This place is like stepping back in time, with its colorful buildings, narrow cobblestone streets, and cute little shops. Keep your eyes peeled for those adorable Swedish souvenirs. We're talking Viking helmets, those little wooden Dala horses, and maybe even a cute moose plushie or two. For this trip, we're aiming for a cozy mid-range hotel, which will set you back around 1,000 to 1,500 Swedish krona per night. Rise and shine, early birds. Today, we're diving into some of Stockholm's coolest attractions. First up, the Vasa Museum, home to a nearly 400-year-old warship that's remarkably well preserved. Next, we're off to Skansen, an open-air museum that's like a mini Sweden all in one place. We're talking traditional houses, workshops, and even a zoo with Nordic animals. For lunch, let's grab some classic Swedish meatballs at a cozy restaurant in Gamla Stan. Today's a pretty packed day, so expect to spend around $50 to $75 on entrance fees, transportation, and food. Today, we're taking a break from the hustle and bustle of the city for a relaxing day trip to Drottningholm Palace, the private residence of the Swedish royal family. We'll hop on a scenic ferry ride, which, by the way, offers stunning views of the Stockholm archipelago, and arrive at this UNESCO World Heritage Site ready to be wowed. After soaking up all that royal history, we'll treat ourselves to a traditional Swedish fika, that's coffee and pastries in case you didn't know, at a charming cafe near the palace. This day trip is a nice budget-friendly option, with the ferry ride and palace entrance fee totaling around 350 to 450 kronas. Next stop, Gothenburg. We're hopping on a high-speed train from Stockholm, which will whisk us away to Sweden's second-largest city in just about 3 hours. Once we've settled into our hotel, another cozy mid-range option, around 1,000 to 1,500 kronas per night, it's time to unleash our inner child at Liseberg amusement park. From thrilling roller coasters to charming carousels, this place has something for everyone. But Gothenburg is more than just amusement park thrills. This coastal city boasts a stunning harbor, charming canals, and a laid-back vibe that's impossible not to love. Today's adventure will set you back around 1,000 to 1,500 kronas, including the train ticket, accommodation, amusement park entrance, and food. Get ready for a day of exploration and delicious discoveries. First up, we're diving into the fascinating world of science and nature at Universeum, Gothenburg's impressive science center. From rainforest ecosystems to space exhibitions, there's something to spark everyone's curiosity. Afterward, it's time to tantalize our taste buds with some local delicacies. We'll head to Saluhallen Market, a foodie paradise where you can sample everything from freshly baked bread and local cheeses to pickled herring and, of course, more of those irresistible cinnamon buns. For dinner, let's try a traditional husmanskost restaurant. Today's expenses will be around 650 to 850 kronas, including the Science Center entrance, market treats, and a satisfying husmanskost dinner. Ready for a breath of fresh sea air? Today, we're taking a scenic boat trip to Marstrand, a charming island located just off the coast of Gothenburg. Known for its picturesque harbor, historic fortress, and colorful wooden houses, Marstrand is like something out of a storybook. We'll explore the island's winding streets, soak up the stunning views from the fortress walls, and maybe even treat ourselves to a scoop of creamy Swedish ice cream. This island getaway is a budget-friendly day trip, with the boat ride and fortress entrance fee totaling around 270 to 370 kronas. Plus, you can't put a price on those stunning ocean views. Wave goodbye to Gothenburg, because we're off to Malmö, Sweden's third largest city. We'll hop on another comfortable train, which will take us through the picturesque Swedish countryside in about 3.5 hours. Malmö is known for its modern architecture, vibrant cultural scene, and beautiful coastal location. After checking into our hotel, another comfortable mid-range option for around 1,000 to 1,500 kronas per night, we'll head straight for the waterfront. Today's expenses will be around 1,200 to 1,700 kronas, including the train ticket, accommodation, and a delicious dinner with a view at the Western Harbor. Get ready to delve into Malmö's rich history and vibrant culinary scene. First up, we're stepping back in time at Malmö Castle, a 16th century fortress that now houses several museums. From art and history to natural history and even a small aquarium, there's something for everyone. Afterward, let's treat ourselves to a culinary adventure at Möllevångstorget, Malmö's bustling market square. For dinner, let's head to Lilla Torg, a charming square in the heart of Malmö's Old Town. Today's adventure will set you back around $60 to $80, including entrance fees, market treats, and a satisfying dinner in Lilla Torg. Today, we're taking a step back in time with a day trip to Lund, one of Sweden's oldest cities. Just a short train ride from Malmö, Lund is home to a charming medieval center, a prestigious university, and a fascinating history dating back to the Viking Age. Our first stop will be Lund Cathedral, a magnificent Romanesque church that dominates the city skyline. Afterward, we'll wander through the cobbled streets of Lund's historic center, admiring the well-preserved buildings and soaking up the charming atmosphere. This historical adventure is a budget-friendly day trip, with the train ticket and cathedral entrance fee totaling around 200 to 320 kronas. Next stop, Uppsala. We're hopping on a train from Malmö, which will take us north to Sweden's fourth largest city in about 5.5 hours. Uppsala is known for its prestigious university, the oldest in Scandinavia, its impressive cathedral, and its rich history. After checking into our hotel, another cozy mid-range option for around 1,000 to 1,500 kronas per night, we'll head straight for Uppsala Cathedral, a magnificent Gothic structure that dominates the city skyline. Be sure to step inside and admire its soaring arches and stained glass windows. Today's expenses will be around 1,200 to 1,800 kronas, including the train ticket, accommodation, and a delicious dinner at one of Uppsala's many restaurants. Get ready to delve into Uppsala's fascinating history and vibrant culinary scene. Today, we're exploring the heart of Uppsala University, one of the oldest and most prestigious universities in Europe. We'll wander through its historic buildings, admire the impressive library, and maybe even catch a glimpse of student life. Afterward, let's treat ourselves to a traditional Swedish fika at one of Uppsala's many charming cafes. For dinner, let's head to a restaurant specializing in local Uppsala cuisine. Today's adventure will be a budget-friendly one, with expenses around 400 to 550 kronas, including cafe treats, museum entrance fees, and a delicious dinner. Today, we're taking a step back in time with a day trip to Sigtuna, Sweden's oldest town. Just a short bus ride from Uppsala, Sigtuna is located on the shores of Lake Mälaren and boasts a charming historic center with wooden houses, runestones, and a fascinating Viking heritage. We'll wander through Sigtuna's narrow streets, admiring the well-preserved buildings and soaking up the town's unique atmosphere. Be sure to check out the runestones. These ancient inscriptions offer a glimpse into Sweden's Viking past. Afterward, we'll treat ourselves to lunch at a cozy cafe overlooking Lake Mälaren. This historical adventure is a budget-friendly day trip, with the bus ticket and lunch totaling around 300 to 420 kronas. As our incredible Swedish adventure comes to an end, it's time to reflect on the amazing experiences we've shared. From exploring historic cities and marveling at architectural wonders to indulging in delicious cuisine and embracing the Swedish lifestyle, this trip has been nothing short of unforgettable. Before we say hej då to this beautiful country, let's take a moment to go over some practical information. The total cost for this 2-week adventure, including flights, accommodation, transportation, activities, and food, will be around 30,000 to 40,000 Swedish krona per person. When it comes to packing, be sure to bring comfortable walking shoes, as we'll be doing a lot of exploring on foot. Layers are key, as the weather in Sweden can be unpredictable. Before we say hej då for good, I want to hear all about your favorite parts of the trip. What were your must-see spots? Did you find any hidden gems along the way? Share all your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. There you have it, folks. Our epic 2-week Swedish adventure has come to an end. I hope you enjoyed this virtual journey through the land of Vikings, ABBA, and those amazing cinnamon buns. Comment below if you'd like a different itinerary covering some of the other attractions and spots in other countries. Like, share, and subscribe for more such content. Until next time, safe travels from your travel buddy, VueX.